Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap and myself Fahim Hassan, and in today's video I am going to teach you how you can add Google material icons to your HTML website. So let's start. Okay, so first of all you need to open the Google, and this is the output of my page, and here you will search for Google material icon, and then you will open the first link. The website name is fonts.google.com. Then you will see probably this page. Here you can see a link, developer guide, that how to use material symbols in your project. So I will open this in a new tab first, or maybe you can open this GitHub repo. From both the pages you will find the link that we are going to search. From here scroll down, and here you will find this link. Just you need to copy this, open your HTML website and paste here. If I go to their documentation, scroll down, you will also find this link here. Next, let me go back, and suppose you want to use this delete icon. You will click on it. From here you can download their SVG, PNG icons, but I am going to use their HTML code. You can see that. I will simply click copy, open my HTML code, and here I will simply paste this. If I refresh the page, you can see that this icon is coming from Google Material Icons. So hope this video will be helpful for you. You can read this more documentation from here to learn more about these icons if you are a professional developer and working on a project and you have specific requirements to use these icons. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you, and finally thanks for watching.